someone get a new machine because the next machine never work and the next machine did new. But anyway, I don't really like white appliances because anyway. But this one is working. So yeah, moving on. Now it's a food house. Cook up some overnight chicken with bread. Moving on. After that now, what next time we do? When you in turkey neck and dumpling, good old fatty and cocoa bread. I mean, but you know, back to the cooking things. So this chicken neck and chicken foot with dumpling banana that my cousin bought for me. Yeah, my cousin bought me some bananas. And in the night, my cousin said she hungry. So she gonna cook up this year. So that I did my friend plate. And she da cool it down and then I bored in the night. Well, right now. So I just do this foolishness, yeah. I zoom in and zoom out. And nothing spectacular. Bye.